Assalamu alaikum prep class. Teacher Shiza is here prep class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, I'm also fine. So prep class, let's start our studies. But first of all, teacher will tell you a good thing. टीचर आपको सबसे पहले एक अच्छी बात बताएंगी. क्या आप जानना चाहेंगे अच्छी बात आज की? जी हाँ. तो प्रेप क्लास, आपको पता है कि मोमिन वो नहीं है कि जिसकी शरारतों से उसका हमसाया महफूज ना रहे. यानी कि प्यारे बच्चों, हमें अपने हमसायों को परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि हमें तो उनका ख्याल रखना चाहिए. हमें उनको बिला वजह तंग नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि उनकी परेशानियों में उनका साथ देना चाहिए. ठीक है प्रेप क्लास? इस अच्छी बात को आपने याद रखना है और फॉलो भी करना है. So now prep class, let's start our work. Today is a English book work. Okay, here is a book work. So prep class, open the book. The page number is 90. Page number is 90. Yes, we are going to do these blanks. The use of a and an. So first of all, let's repeat the vowels. Here are our finger names: A, E, I, O, U. And what's the name of our palm? Very good, it's an. An. So fill the blanks. This is dash book. So you can tell me, here we will use A or N? Yes, very good. This is a book. This is a book, because here is no any finger name. The next one is, that is, very good, a cap. That is a cap. This is, yes, here is a finger name A. So that's why we will use here an. This is an ant. So the next is, that is a rat. Very good. The second last is, this is, very good, and because here is our finger friend O. The last one is, that is, amazing, an ink pot. Why is it an? Yes, because here is I. Well done prep class. Now let's move forward. Now we are going to use this or that. That is a pen. Yes, pen. We will use here that, because pen is there, not here. Pen is there, that's why we will use that is a pen. Now what we use here, this or that? Yes, this. This is an I. I is here, not there. The next one is, very good, that. That is an uncle. Uncle is there. Okay. This is a bag. Very good. Bag is here, not there. So, this or that? Very good. That. That is a cat. Cat is there, not here. Cat is there. So that's why that is a cat. The last one is yes. This is an ink pot. Ink pot is here, not there. Very good, nursery class. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.